Units be advised. Please let us close for a traffic pursuit in Edmonds. Correction, not a traffic pursuit. A vehicle failing to yield.
Sailing out.
Hispanic male running northbound on 68 there. He's cutting down towards the highway, wearing yellow pants, brown and white, striped shirt, heading towards the highway. I've lost track of him. He's going through the Jack Carroll's Automotive. We got one female now running over.
Hispanic male northbound on 68 towards.
Tried to also leave. Send aid, please.
Copy, send aid to 68 near Jack Carroll. Had a Hispanic male bail out, yellow pants, brown and white shirt towards the highway towards Jack Carroll.
Center 41, do we have a dog?
We'll check.
Yeah, so I'm in route for now. I'll try to reach a Canine as well.
Copy.
I'm right behind the Hyundai dealer on 68.
Charter 2, Hyundai dealer.
Yeah, so the Edmonds unit, did you see him run towards 68 and north on that? Charter 2, was that for me? Yeah, what direction do you see him running? I lost sight of him running east through the Jack Carroll lot towards Highway 99. Can you respond to Sam again?
Canine 8 route.
Yeah, 7 Edward 2, what's the description again? Description, possibly white or Hispanic male, approximately 30 years old. He was Hispanic. He was wearing yellow pants, like track pants, and a brown and white striped shirt. Okay, he bailed out on 68, right by Jack Carroll? He bailed out at 68, right where the vehicle is, behind the Hyundai dealership, and then fled northbound and then east through Jack Carroll towards Highway 99. Alright, Ken, so we get containment 204 on the highway. Something he did down 60th and 204, and then back to 28. There's several apartment complexes over there he might have headed to.
How do you need containment 204 on the highway?
I'm at 208 on the highway. 203, I'll take 196 on the highway. Lincoln 2, I'll take 20468. 201, 203, take 204 on the highway.
Charter 3.
Yeah, so somebody at 28 on the highway as well, so it gives you double back.
1 Lake 1, I'll take that.
203, I'm at 204 on the highway.
Charter 3 is at 204 on the highway.
Charter 41's with Charter 2. Also going to need a Lynnwood traffic unit. Lincoln 2 to Canine 7, you want to line? Canine 8 should be in route as well. Canine 8 from Sam.
210-1, 212 on the highway, unless needed elsewhere.
Yeah, so that car's a rollover. It's on its side right now. County 1 by 2, where would you like me? Go 200-68. Received on scene.
County 1 by 2, 206.8.
105, I'm at 204 and 63. I'm getting flagged down.
204 and 63 under 5.
Square 5.
Charter 5.
Subject last seen westbound between 204, 22 and 63 Place, right in the backyard 2 minutes ago.
Copy, subject last seen westbound between 204 and 63 Place.
He's westbound from here.
Westbound.
Okay, right on the other side of this fence is cash and carry. County 51, Sam, I'm at containment 2, 2nd and 66.
County, what's it?
5-1, Sam.
Copy, 5-1 Sam.
One Lincoln, one, I'm going to be at 60 on 204.
Lincoln 16024.
And 7 Canine, what's your ETA? Just south about 156. Probably 203 out. Alright, and 7 info. Yeah, subject seen running kind of northeast towards the highway. Unconfirmed if you got across or not, so let's contain 68. We got containment there as well, probably 204 and then further down to 200. 200 down to the highway. Make it wide, pretty wide for now, but there are several apartments in the area he could have gone to.
Is there a good place for aid to stage?
They can come in, I think.
Stage.
Do me a favor and have them come 208 and then north on 68. I'm starting at 208 in the highway or cash and carry? Well, unless somebody saw the guy running 208 in the highway, or 208 and 68. 203 affirm. He was last seen about 4 minutes ago. There's a neighbor watering his lawn.
One Lincoln 1, I just saw somebody walking northbound across 204 at about the 6300 block. Tan, possibly yellow pants.
Copy that. That's the description of our boy.
He was walking at a pretty leisurely pace, but he did have dark hair.
Cat, apparently yellow track pants with a white stripe, brown and white striped shirt.
The yellow track pants with a striped brown white shirt.
I can break from my location and check it. I just caught a glimpse of him.
205, that's where he was last seen, right by the cash and carry.
And One Lincoln 1 is quite a distance from me. Terrace Cross 60 on 204. You're in a good position to check it.
Yeah, native and cash and carry.
Canine.
Canine 7 Canine, I can't confirm that's your boy, so I'm going to get started here if you're not going to come here. Okay, I'll come there. That's killed me, my daughter's burnt. Canine, my dog's out.
Dog's out.
Alright, Canine, so we're working eastbound across Jack Carroll parking lot.
Eastbound across Jack Carroll.
Yeah, so we're pushing behind Jack Carroll right now.
Behind Jack Taylor.
Northbound on 60th. Passing 200.
Northbound on 60th.
I saw you.
Bye.
Witnesses say he went northbound to the Furwood Estates, the 6100 block 204, about 5 ago.
Okay.
Right, Canine 7, you need to push containment more to the north then, off 200. Down to 56 and box him in. Edmonds car, yeah, you turn and come down here and pick us up. Daryl 1, I've moved to 200 on the highway, containment.
Copy.
And at R5, I've moved to 5800 block of 200.
Copy.
2 Terminal 196, Scriber.
Copy.
One Lincoln 1, did anyone check eastbound 200?
Down 200.
210-1, 208 and 60th.
Copy.
Cat 7, we're almost at you, 200, Scriber.
Okay, I'm going to set up 198 and something.
Yeah, I need to know where you saw him, so just hold there. 200 Scriber for me.
Okay.
Hey, he said he went to the house on the corner right there, going to the witness.
You went into it or close to it? Or by it?
Going to the witness with a stop sign, and he ran above the fence and went to the house to your right. So eastbound.
Yeah, again, he went to the yard. Did you see him go in or just in the area?
Literally ran into the yard, heading eastbound, and the backside of where you're standing right now.
Okay, so into this parking lot?
Like he was going into the house, going to witnesses. 205 to 1097.
Go.
I don't think we have anybody east of here.
Yeah, we need to lock it all down. So, he's running east, he's working east. So, 200 to 56, 56 down, if we can. K9-7, can we get somebody at 56 and 200?
I'm going to hold it at 198 Scriber.
198 Scriber.
342 in the area, need a spot.
Is anybody at 56 and 200?
01 is.
K9-7, let's go, let's push out a little wider, so we can get a unit maybe 52196, the edge of the park there. That or 50th, one or the other. 1 by 2, I'll be on the north end of the park on 196.
2 Lincoln 2. Next spot will be 58198. Yeah.
Oh, we have somebody there already.
2-1, I can change location. Where do you need me?
Okay, anyone south of 204 can move north.
2-1, I'll move north on 56.
210 north on 56.
51 Sam, Scriber Lake Park.
51 Sam.
Okay, we're working behind Adventure Sports.
Behind Adventure Sports.
When do we still have anybody at 200 in Scriber?
Negative, I have 198 Scriber, 196 in Scriber.
Okay, can anyone see that intersection from 200?
Better 5, I can see east and west of the intersection there.
Hey, Canton, we had an Edmonds unit there 2 minutes ago. Did he leave?
Yeah, both moving towards east at 50th and 196.
Okay. Oh. Well, I try to get a line of sight between cop cars if we can. I know we're stretched thin, but let's make a big box around Scriber 200, 196, and 56.
Confirm.
210 200 Scriber.
When did we get someone back at 200 and Scriber?
Affirm 210
2-1, I'm there.
Okay.
241 to the Edmonds units. Can anyone break and follow the female to the hospital? Yeah, so we're still working eastbound behind 5821.
Eastbound behind 5821.
Okay, we're behind Mondo's and Uncle Jack's now.
Behind Mondo's Uncle Jack.
Okay, we're out to 198 by the Tanglewood.
198 in the Tanglewood.
2-1.
2-1.
Dog walkers advising he went through Scriber Lake by the docks with another male. Hispanic male, yellow shorts, matched our description about 10 minutes ago.
That'll be 10 ago.
Yeah, so sorry, where was that again?
I got dog walkers advising me that he may have gone through Scriber Lake by the dock.
Alright, well, we're eastbound 198 approaching the entrance to Scriber Lake.
Copy, they came out about 10 ago, and this when they saw him, he's walking with another male.
51 Sam, there were two Hispanic males here, but one had beige shorts on, and they're still talking to each other. Yeah, so copy that.
One the pants he was wearing, unless these shades were very yellow.
Copy. And these two are still at the entrance to the park, or just west of it. One's wearing beige. They seem like they don't know what's going on.
So far, I think we came from the gym.
Keep on.
Saying it's bright yellow shorts with a striped shirt, and the other male with him was about 6 foot, wearing jeans and unknown colored shirt.
Copy, male with a bright yellow shorts with a striped shirt. The other male, 6 foot, jeans, unknown shirt.
Header 5 to 4-1.
Go ahead.
Confirm that they were shorts or sweatpants, because it was originally described as sweatpants with the stripe along the side.
This guy's saying shorts.
Yeah, so we're back behind Mondos now.
Yeah, Mondos.
Okay, so we're checking east 200, about 5700 block, in front of the Pinewood.
Eastbound 200, 57 from Pinewood.
We got Scriber 200 checking behind buildings right now. Another couple minutes. We're not getting Star Trek going out of here, so we're just trying to localize it a little more. Okay, so I'm going to be out at 199. Scriber.
199. Scriber.
Okay, we'll hold containment for 15 more minutes. We're almost done. Canine 7, Edward 41. Canine 7 at 2, Edward 41. Canine 7, if Edward 41 doesn't object, you can break containment. We're going to poke around a little while. We'll advise if we find something, but we don't need the air right now.
Received. Police 1 is open. It can break containment. Police 1 is open, 2043.